Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the filters into video. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Rush. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to click on this plus icon. So let's click on this, and after that we need to click on the your media, and after that we need to select that video, that which video we want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this, and now we have to click on the add, and the video will be added into timeline. So I'm going to cut this one. So let's delete this. And now as you can see, the video is here. Now simply we have to click on the video, and after that we need to select the video, and now simply we have to go to here in this option. Firstly, I'm going to make it full screen, so let's click on this. So as you can see, here's the third option, which is called filter and effect or color, you can call it. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, all the filters are provided here. You just need to select the filter, that which filter you want to use. As you can see in the cinematics and tune cool and the deep law, as you can see, you have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. And if you want to increase or decrease the intensity of the filter, you can also do that. For example, if you want to increase, you have to go to there, and if you want to decrease, you need to reduce it. So as you can see, from the 100 plus it will be increase, and the 100 down it will be decrease. So in this way you can add a filter in your video in Adobe Rush. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add a filter in your video. So see you guys in the next video.